Yeah.
This right here is Fluke. Seems like simple enough. Seems like it's simple enough to cut this, but believe it or not, it's not. It's a royal pain. Easiest way to do this: find this pectoral fin right here, stick your knife through it, cut up through the belly, take off the head. Face the head section away from you. Don't cut too close to this fin because you end up cutting through the fish. Don't press too hard. Just put your knife in. Cut until you feel the backbone. Cut until you feel the backbone. All the way down to the tail, over the ridge bone. On this side, take your knife, just slip it over the ridge bone a little bit, pull back, cut through the rib cage. One swipe, two swipe. And then you want to clean the chain meat off. And then I'll cut the bones out. I'll cut the belly off. And then that's one side. Other side is a little tricky because one side's thinner than the other. On the top, you want to cut once into the tail straight up, and then all the way down the chain, straight up and down. And then just slip your knife in there. You can feel where the bones are. You only gotta make one cut at that point. One cut. Same thing, only but opposite. Not worried about that little bit of tail split because that's going to get trimmed off later. Well, it's going to get trimmed off here in a second. Trim the chains. Cut the bones out. Belly off. Just going to skin it. This side is more than likely going to split down the middle, so don't worry about it split. Just make sure you don't tear the skin. You gotta be really easy when you skin these. Keep your knife flat. See? It tore. It's not a big deal. It's just a little bit less work you gotta do later. But don't split it intentionally. The other side's a little easier, but you still gotta be easy with it because the skin is really thin. There you go. Nice beautiful fish. And that's all she wrote.